So let's start about this introduction. Okay, this is launched at PFP-100, and so this is a programming tools. But instead on the programming tools, not just for the programming, it's also with our with other accessory like the normal charger, and then for showroom users. So these all the function is suitable for all kind of workshop, car, home based car use, and many more inside of to use it. Okay, so I mentioned here is actually this. Okay, let me invite some other admin here in first. Okay, so we started my slide. Okay, so for about let me go some basic because this what you need to know. In the battery is very many the knowledge about battery, but most important is the voltage and the ampere. So many people know about voltage only because they didn't mention what is the ampere about. So this you can see is what's the voltage. Voltage actually is a pressure for the for this battery is 12 watt, and then current it flow, how much it flow to the car. So this is very important. So flow is about what you see actually is when you see this kind of wave, you can see the flow very strong, but for the small one, the flow will be low. That's why our battery cable is very thick, because it need a high flow. Uh, Mostly is most highest actually is 100 amp. Actually, you also see if you are repairing car, inside there the m for the fuse is 100 amp. More than 100 amp for some car, or they not at 100 amp, is 80 amp. They will blow more than that, they will blow. So that is for safety. So inside battery also like this. So how you can imagine the battery supply the flow to the control module, because now generation all the car is talking about control module. So imagine here there is a water tank on the upper side, so it will flow to the each of your home. So inside here each flow, that means if you have too many too many houses, but you have a one water tank, and then it will become water, no pressure. Okay, no flow here. So same to the car nowadays. The battery have 12 watt, but how many ampere inside? Okay, so we don't know. But if all the control module here need the current, so the current must be supplied. So it will take all the current inside the battery. So battery, how strong the battery can last, we don't know. Okay, so that's why we need the this one battery charger to charge it. So what's so important with the voltage indicator? Actually, our scan tools already have this indicator for the new version. Inside there is an indicator here. Why we put that? Because if the control module will not working below than 9 watt. So 9 watt is the lowest voltage inside. So the voltage low than 9 watt, everything will go off, and you also cannot be diagnosed. Okay, so what's the purpose of the this programming flash power? So I will show you the function of this. So this programming flash power have three functions. One is charging. Charging, you can use this PFP-100 as a normal charger. So he can charge the float battery for the EFB and AGM and gel. This is very good than the battery charger. Okay, your battery charger, I believe that how do the battery charger know your battery is full of charge? No, I in my in my experience, there is no such of this thing in the market. So because in in this PFP, they know your battery is full, they will stop cut off. So this is one of the special with our charging system. Okay, so our we have experience before we charge the battery in our showroom, the car parking here and charge around 1 and 2 hours. This battery charger show us the battery is full. Okay, so and the second one's programming. This is the main purpose of this programming flash power. So it will provide maintain the voltage and ampere. Voltage and ampere. Voltage, if your battery charger, you can maintain, but ampere, when the ampere is when the control module is programming, while programming, all the control module is working, and the ampere will drop very fast. And how did it maintain the battery if you don't have a programming charger? You only can give supply the voltage, but it not how it create 100 ampere with a tiny tiny with a tiny wire. Okay, it cannot. So okay, so for a last is a showroom. Showroom for most of the car, just like nowadays the BMW showroom and the Mercedes showroom, they will they will have this item to maintain the car battery. What is very important about why they use this, because actually they can only supply with the battery charger, because the inside the car not for normal car they also have 20-30 system inside there to run all the to run all the supply by battery. So how about if the battery where it cannot last, so they will damage the control module. So this is why they use it in showroom. Okay. Okay. So this product also suitable for body repair. So why did they do use body repair? Because when they are installing some kind of electric item, just like they install uh, window, so that after they install, they sure go up, go down. So in this, they have many trouble about in body repair because of the battery current. Battery current, they cannot, okay, they keep on changing the battery. When the battery is you always open and put back, so the module will slip up. Okay, if like this, soon you will have many problem about immobilizer. You have key immobilizer problem, you have control module damage problem, and so on. There is a will create many problem in body repair because of the battery voltage. So after that, car repairing, this is a must. They must use this because when they are using the programming, the programming period, maybe they will use 20 minutes or other or more than that, because they need some time to think about to diagnose the car. So when he just on the key, then something wrong with the car, it will be cost of the battery. Okay. Okay, so and other than that, okay, accessory shop also use this because when they are doing tinted, okay, they are doing tinted, and then other products just like the radio. Radio actually is a control unit inside. So if the battery is not enough for to supply, they will they cannot crank already. So even though they want to start it, but not of the people always start the car to repair something. They will make a short circuit on the on all the electronic item. Okay. So also with the car showroom, inside the car showroom, this item actually, this PFP-100 actually, why he designed so thin about for usage, because this item can store under the car, so that's why they can hide this item, and then the power can supply as long as how many people they come to see this car. They also can activate all the items. They won't, if let you imagine if you on the car, all control module is running, but suddenly it go down in the showroom, okay? Battery down in the showroom, and then you will disappointed all the common. So inside here, many item of the car need to supply current. Actually, is the light. Once is the light, and then roof, and then the what's the window. So it will run all the item. So this battery charger is to maintain that. Okay, and then our battery charger have five protection. So I just show you here. Later I will show directly what's the five item protection. Okay, once is overheat, it will protect overheat because there is a fan inside. So it's for the fan inside, and the overcharge it will stop when your battery is full. Okay, so low voltage will if you don't plug in anything inside, it will protect by low voltage. Okay, short circuit, if you have a short circuit, like just like plus minus is touching together, you protect for this. And the reverse priority. So most of the in the body repair is what in from just like many workers don't know about car. Okay, they switch. Okay, the switch positive to negative uh, crossover. So this item, this unit you protect from it. Okay, this is the inside of the of this unit. All is plugged with a board, so that means you see all the solid item. The capacity is very big, solid. Okay, so this is a fan on the side. Okay, so this is inside the item. Okay, so this one, PFP 100, if you fix on the TWT 100, will become like this. So actually, I want to show you is this protection. This protection of the flash programming. So this is the clamp. Okay, so first is the clamp. If you have a because it's running now, it will have a touching on the positive and negative. It will protect by low voltage protection. Okay, so after that, the second one is the positive and negative. If you have a cross, okay, positive, you put a negative there, and the negative you have put a positive there. It will show you the reverse priority. Okay, so this is the reverse priority. Okay, this is the protection. Okay, so camera cannot capture because the screen is too light. Okay, so this is the first and the second. Normally, after we plug in negative, when we plug the last one, it will have the spark. Okay, so if you have a spark, when you have a spark, it will detected if the detected by the car, it will fuse blow with the main fuse. Okay, so this one it will no spark for the clamping. Okay, so this is second. Okay, so other than that is the overcharge protection. If the battery charge in here. Okay, this is out of vehicle. Okay, so if you choose the wet battery to charge it, when this battery is full, it will overcharge protection. It will stop. It will show battery full. Okay, so this is a battery charger. Okay. So in here I also will show you this unit. Actually, you can. This is the best view for you guys. Okay, so other than that, what is the function there? Okay, let me stop first. Okay, it have charge function, programming function, and the showroom function. Okay, for the showroom, actually is very basic one. For if you go into a showroom function, it will use the battery voltage and will flow the current. You flow the current inside the battery. If you have enough battery current, it will become like this. If your battery is start using the battery, it will the current flow will be very slow. Okay. So this is for the showroom. Actually, for showroom, you many car in the showroom have a bad battery because the car cannot be start and start also you cannot warm up too long. So that's why if the showroom have this programming charger, it can slow below the car and supply the battery for the showroom car, so it won't damage any, so that the control module won't damage by the low battery voltage. So for the programming, inside there is adjustable and fixed. So if the car is never mention any the specified battery voltage, so you can use the fixed mode. Okay, to keep on charging the battery. So if let's say you have a specific like BMW, he want this one 13.8 watt. So if you want to change it, these two you have to press together and it will become adjustable, and you adjust it from the minimum. You can adjust from minimum 12 until So until the maximum is 14.8. So this is the maximum voltage you can adjust. So let's say if you want to put on the 13.8, you just uh, switch to 13.8 and double click it here and push the start. So it will adjust the voltage at 13.8 watt. So it flow with the current, it adjustable or automatic adjust it. Okay, so this is the function of it. Okay, so this programming charger also have a fan. You will notice the fan is running. Yeah, the fan is here. Okay, it will protect from overheat. It will protect from overheat. Okay, last is the charging function. So I just now has already mentioned this charging function. You have a wet function, wet battery, just like I will say, oh, it's float battery. I don't know what the engineering put a wet here. Okay, so it's okay. Other than that, AGM gel battery that the capacity is bigger, so you need the longest charger for it. Okay, so for the EFB battery also you can charge it. This is for start stop function. This is for normal wet battery. So you choose it and it will flow the current into the battery, automatic adjust. Okay, so if your battery is having high load, it will supply the current high load. Okay, maximum the current can supply is actually is a 120, but if for this standard, we put in here 110, but maximum it can until 120. But most of the car is use 100 amp is already good enough. So it will automatic adjust. You don't no need to adjust this current. It will figure out. Okay. So this is the stop, and the last. Okay, this is the language. Language you can change, but with the key is here. So this is a language key. Left, right, start, and then go to up. Okay, left, right, start, and go to down. You change the language by this key. Left, right, up. Left, right, start, and go up. You change the language. It have many language, but in our country we only use English and Chinese. Okay, let's see what language else it have. This I think is Dutch. Okay, okay, this language. And I think this is France. Yes, this is English. So you have, I think it's 5 language you have. Okay, so that's for today. Okay, thank you for review. So I have last view to show you how it look like when you are plugged in to the car. Okay, so this is it match with our PWP-100. So if put like this, all the scanner you can put upper and the scanner you can also put about at the lower, and just like battery box, battery box, scoop box, sensor box, you can store it here. Okay, and so on. If you still need the jump start for this, you can start it here. But actually, this already can do this job if you have battery programming. Okay. Okay, that's for today. Thank you. Okay, bye.